Hey, it's Ping from Formula Delta Performance Solutions. We're back with another update. We're filming in my home office today, and things just got really busy in the past month. We were intending to send an update in February, but here we are filming in the first week of March. Last month, we released a Instagram story with the specifications of the oil pan. Here, we'll go over them in more detail. First things first, the oil pan will be made out of die-cast aluminum. On top of that, it will have integrated baffle system within it. We do not recommend running any other baffle system on top of our oil pan. This should be a one-stop solution for all of your oil pressure needs. On top of that, we have a total oil capacity of 3.5 to 3.7 liters. We left a little bit of a buffer here just for design for manufacturing purposes. We're still working through some manufacturing improvements with our manufacturer, and that is just an additional little buffer in case we need to make any changes here and there. The overall concept, the shape, as well as the general layout of everything has been set. Everything going forward will be minor details, cosmetic changes here and there, general improvements for manufacturing purposes only. Since our last update, we've actually received 2 more batches of product from our manufacturer. Unfortunately, the consistency and quality of those batches weren't the greatest, some of which were good enough that we made them into early access testing pans. The other ones were in varying degree of salvageability. Over the next little while, we'll be putting our heads down to concentrate on the quality improvement and consistency of the manufacturing. We really want to bring a product to market that we're proud of, and I think it makes the community a better place if we can not just start selling these right away, but actually bring a product that we're happy to introduce to the market. We've been working hard getting the early access testing pans ready for our early access testers. Here we have a box that with an oil pan that's going to be heading to California in the next couple days. We currently have all of the early access testing pans spoken for. We're not actively looking for more early access testers in this current batch. If we open up another batch of early access testing, we will be providing that information through another video update. You're more than welcome to reach out to us with any questions, comments, or contributions to the 3D scans, but at this moment, we're not looking for more early access testers. With that, we'll wrap up the video. Over the next couple of weeks, you may actually see our product installed and testing at a local track near you in California. Otherwise, we'll be putting our heads down to improve the manufacturing of the product. And with that, we'll conclude the video. Thank you for watching.